Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus 29 Meadow Ave, Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2017 Mazda 3 SP25 Astina Sedan, stock reference number 4832. This shape runs from the 11th month 2013 through to the 2nd month 2019. There's a PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. The bonnet appears to have no damage. It's got a tidy front bumper cover, radiator grille, left-hand headlight, left fog light, right fog light and right headlight, left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light, left guard appears to have no damage, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door appears to have no damage, left rear door has one dent, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left hand tail light, left boot lid garnish, boot lid appears to have no damage, tidy rear bumper cover, right boot lid garnish, right hand tail light, right power door mirror, right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. We have a black leather console, automatic type, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heated controls, factory sat nav unit, power window master switch, 3-spoke leather steering wheel with all cruise audio and phone buttons, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type and sunroof type, and the left hand sun visor. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.